Good morning to everyone. This is a sunny, rainy Wednesday morning. Yes, I record this the same day. Why? Because I have been so busy the past week. I am going to school. Then I had to deal with my grandmother's party, and I will insert some pictures here. She turned 100 October 30th or 31, can't remember. But we celebrated November 5th, so it was this Sunday, and it was good. Bless it, it really was good. So we are very tired. I am very tired. I'm doing school in online, 2 different schools. So I'm trying to exercise my brain, testing myself to see if I could go back to school or learn in that setting, because I miss learning. And this is 6 years, so and I'm getting it done. This is the tomatoes here. You will see there are less and less. Yes, because I want less of them. Yes, I didn't want I put some outside, and I just want more manageable, and then of course some died. So this is an empty pot, and I don't really know what I'm going to do with that, but as you can see, they're still growing and blossoming. So I am very happy about that. So this is coming down the end of the year, what you will say the holidays. So I'm still going to plant the lettuce and everything, but it's because school has me very tired. I'm busy, but I had to record this recording today. We're over here by my mini nursery, and they are going on nicely. Oh, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, please, to this channel. I know I was in and out, but please subscribe to this channel, share the content that I have here, because it's to help others who might be in my position, who have a disability and do not think they could do anything, but like me, I'm gardening through the window, and they might have more space and be more mobile. They could do something as well. So do this for others, these elderly persons who need a hobby. Start it, and you might be just encouraging someone else. So you see my curry tree there, one here, and get some more leaves. Neem, dill, And these dills, they are just some tricky plants. They don't need a lot of rain, and I forgot to take them in just one day, and the rain drowned them. So it's just sun, and then back in the bedroom, the cactus, just you plant that, you plant that and move away. And my pineapple. So this is what I am doing. This is like a week that I really didn't have time, because I'm now trying to get in the rhythm of school and doing my home things. So now I am back. Yeah. So if you would like to support the channel, my PayPal link is in the description, or you can email and I could send other ways that you can support. Also, I have a address that you could send love blessings. Thank you so much for your support. How wonderful Yahweh is. He sent his wonderful son Yeshua to die for us, to be our friend, to be our brother, to be our king. And we could just stretch out our hand and ask him for help. And do you know how wonderful that is? All we have to do is reach out our hand and he gave us help. That is so wonderful. That is beautiful. So I hope that you will reach out your hand to Jesus today. Ask him to walk with you and put his glory on your face, and you will see how you influence and help others know that there's someone out there who cares and loves you immensely. I'm so happy that I got up. Lord bless me with another. The Lord has blessed me with another day of life, and I thank the Lord. Tomorrow, November 9th, will be my birthday. I will be 41. Yeah, so I thank the Lord for that too. I am happy the same for you. We are up. The Lord gave us the blessing of life to help others. So get up and do. Yes, don't just believe, do. So until we meet again, keep planting.